With a working Xsemble installation, you are now able to generate the source code of the complete application. However, you still need the mechanism to process and compile the code. For that, you need a development environment setup on your machine. The setup depends on what kind of application you are compiling, in the sense whether it's a Java or a PHP application, or whether it's a desktop application or a web application. Mind you, Xsemble does not play any role in this setup. In other words, it is the usual development setup. However, it is a good idea to make Xsemble aware of some aspects of the setup, which will result in saving your time. Since Xsemble keeps adding support to different platforms and technologies, in this video we are going to point you to the places in the Xsemble documentation that you should check. The Xsemble documentation is kept up to date. Apart from the development environment, there are some further settings in the Xsemble configuration. We shall look at those too. From any of the Xsemble applications, go to Help, Contents, or simply press F1 key to open the documentation. The first chapter in the reference manual has sections on development environment setup and Xsemble configuration. This is our primary reference. It covers the setup that is needed for various kind of applications. Follow that to set up your machine for the kind of applications you want to develop. Next section is about Xsemble configuration. Edit Xsemble.properties file in your Xsemble home to make changes to your configuration. The documentation covers all the configuration steps that you may use. The demo projects under the Demo1 namespace provide a quick way to test your setup. Each project targets a different platform. The first chapter in the user guide gives you the steps to run the demo projects on various platforms. Try running the project that corresponds to your kind of application. That completes your configuration and makes you ready to start making great applications with Xsemble. Good luck.